obedience, good day Nigerians. Welcome again to another episode of Hope Alive on Obedati Family TV. Una already know as we take the do for this place, as we take the bring una daily updates of everything where they go on for inside court, for outside court, and everything where they surround the election will happen for 25th of February 2023. Like we know yesterday, Labour Party and our principal, they court, they bring evidences from EC88 from different states where be say manipulation and mago happen for there. So they bring those evidence, those certified true copies, where they collect for INEC hand, and they tender them to the court. And by the grace of God, court they accept all those evidences, even as INEC and their brother APC they oppose all those evidence where they bring. And again today our principal day for court as he take they do on a normal, and they bring more evidences from different states, and as we talk now they tender those evidences for the courts to see. And as usual, APC and INEC and the other people they oppose all those evidences, all those documents where be saying that them use their hand, INEC use their hand give to Labour Party, then they for court and they oppose them as they do on a normal. But meanwhile, as the case still they go on, because as we talk it they happen, because still they bring more updates of everything where they happen. But as soon as know as yesterday own take go, say Labour Party bring all those evidences, even though INEC never give them all the materials where they require, upon say they don't pay that money where the INEC say make them pay them, they still never give them everything where they want, and now waiting they still they wait for as the case still they go on. And as we dey look at me, be like saying a court case they trend for everywhere. Because if you remember, it gets some people concerned Abuja residents where file a court case against Tinubu. That time they talk say make they no inaugurate Tinubu because he no get 25% for Abuja. Say person wey no get 25% no supposed to be president and rule them for Abuja. They can't put that case go court. Now today the court can finally decide for that particular case. They can't talk say make those people wey file that case, they go pay 10 million, 5 million to the Attorney General, 5 million to the Chief Justice of Nigeria. My people will be like saying that this thing with the CEO, because how these people are just concerned Nigerians and they won't make waiting they right, make courts do waiting they right. How you go inaugurate person when no even meet the constitutional requirements, and now waiting these people they fight for, they can't slam them 10 million, say made them pay 10 million. And speaking of 10 million, our former Minister of Labour and Employment will be Festus Keyamo, court don't slam am 10 million again where he go pay. You know say in get time where he go file case against Atiku, it can just say they embezzle public fund, they do this one, do that one. Now they carry the matter go court. Court can't tell them say that matter where you bring they very frivolous and vexatious. Say you they harass the court process. Court can't talk say in go pay 10 million. So it be like saying a 10 million they trend everywhere. If you carry case go anywhere, they feel slam you 10 million. So make you think and well before you do anything. And again, Nigerian Labour Congress, you know say yesterday we bring them to where we tell them say that they plan go on strike, and we talk say that strike where they won't go no be the perfect solution to this whole thing where they happen, because if they go strike, if it affects the judicial workers and if it affects the tribunal where they go on, we can't they talk say make them reconsider this thing, find another way. Now yesterday the Nigerian Labour Congress and Trade Union Congress they can't get meeting with some representatives from the federal government. As they get the meeting, they can't conclude say they no go that strike again, say they go reconvene on the 19th of June will be this month. And even as they talk say they suspend the strike, no be say they do am willingly, they do am because court order them make them no embark on any strike. And even though it is sweet or say they no do am somehow because it no go affect the judiciary case again, but at the same time they no even get the right thing where we want make them go do there. If you go there do negotiation with federal government, why you no tell them say that removal of fuel subsidy no be like that, you know it's supposed to be? Why you no ask them, make they tell Nigerians wetin be their plan as they remove that subsidy, how they go take alleviate the pain and sorrow of millions of Nigeria where they suffer for this fuel matter where they go on. They can't talk say they no go strike. Okay, you no go strike, but still Nigerians are crying, Nigerians are suffering, people still they trek, people know they buy fuel, people no fit do anything because why? Fuel fuel don too expensive. So na wetin we dey see be that as e take be. But anyways, as I talk our main focus na always on the court, and our eyes still dey for judiciary as the matter dey go on. Mr. Kanu wey dey here with me go still update us of everything wey dey happen for court, because the case e dey for court and Labour Party carry numerous evidence again come. So make we go right into the video, and do well to stay with us because e get plenty update and news wey you fit get from this place. My name na Peace Obiekwe, and as I don talk I get Mr. Kanu for here, I get Madam Angel, and we get many wonderful people wey dey join us from Zoom today. My people, make we enter up. Mr. Kanu, well done.
Yeah, Peace. The one where you talk past our people. Now, good morning, afternoon, and evening, wherever on a day. Today, na action pack they cease for tribunal. People where they join us to talk this matter, we plenty today. Dr. Chioma, they for Zoom all the way from US, and we get our able Dr. Telbert for UK. So I greet on us on a day Zoom, make on a wave our people, make them see you now. And then Angel then near me here, where we say we go begin the talk and for studio. So now we're there for Zoom, make on the start. Okay.
My people, I agree to. Let's get on. Dr. Chama, how your end? Good morning for your end.
Our obedient people, we agree to. Dr. Chi, afternoon, ma. Dr. Tel, afternoon, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay, make we start. Plenty update just they happen from court. But as they take the sheriff for court right now, as we they talk, PO court, and they bring in plenty evidence where they carry come, and as it take be the court, they admit all the evidence where then they carry enter court today. In the morning time today, PDP own happen, but then just take adjournment against tomorrow. Maybe get one thing or the other where the one bring come. But as it they happen now, as we they speak, all the evidence will be say P2B carry the come, which is the EC8A forms, and all the things will be say they suppose bring come court today. Our people on fit even project those things if on a get them for them, make our people they know say see waiting and waiting be the things will be say would they bring for court. So as in the deposit INEC and Tinubu lawyer them, all of them then they object. So we not go begin they bring the transcript of their object. So make we just they compile that very something. If so as the update they happen, they come out from court, we go the update. So but first make I start. Why would they get this update where they come out from inside that court now? Make I update our people. As yesterday take end, as their lawyer take talk he get still plenty evidence where we say INEC never release. But make una hear am from the lawyers, it take happen and waiting remain. But he get one thing where that lawyer talk when I like. He talk say that verse when me I don't they talk since say the IT team where the legal people get the ability to extract information where they hide for that very verse. Make una hear from make we take that one they start.
At least I was lucky today to have a bite, and for today we were able to tender a total of 8 states. There is from EC8A for 8 states. I tendered 5, while Dr. Azinge tendered 3. Out of the 5, my own state, Imo State, was one of those that at least I tendered their election results for 8 states from EC8A. So tomorrow we continue with from EC8B and C, and like that. So the objection by INEC is more like a statutory kind of objection. They're just trying to play safe. There's no harm in that. It's just a routine objection that they take just perhaps for reasons best known to them. But the documents tendered are actually documents, certified true copy of documents procured by from INEC, and which we duly paid for. So for me, there's nothing to bother about. It was a good day. Yes.
Cooperation by INEC now, because I remember initially you said that some percentage of documents have not been acquired yet. Are they cooperating as it is?
Incidentally, INEC has improved in their cooperation. Substantial documentation has been availed, while about 20% now are still outstanding. I think about 20% thereabout. I'm not exactly sure. I know not all, particularly the issue of beavers. They have not been able to give us proper cooperation on that. We need to have access to the beavers using our IT team to extract information. Even if the deleted information contained in the beavers, there's a procedure of extracting it. So it's for them to avail us that opportunity.